Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we're going to be going for using the pizza palette. So let's just get started. So for my transition color, I'm going to be using the shade Marinara, and I'm going to be placing that in my crease and right above my crease. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I cheat my crease. Now, you guys have seen me do cut creases before in the past, but I don't think I've ever broken it down for you. So I've noticed as I've gotten older, I'm losing a lot of my mobile lid space. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cheat that and make your mobile lid space look a lot bigger than it actually is. So I'm just applying Marinara and then slowly building it up to get some of that intensity. Next, I'm going in with the shade Black Olives, and I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease and add a little bit of drama. And I'm applying most of the pigment on the outer corner of my eye, and as I blend, I'm bringing it toward the inner part of my eye. And of course, I go back in with Marinara and blend out that harsh line that you see right there. I don't film every single step of my makeup looks because that would literally take forever. But just know that I do go back in with my transition color and try to soften that edge. Okay, this is how I cheat my crease. So first I apply concealer and then I look up. So where the concealer transferred is where I need to stop applying concealer. And that area where the concealer transferred is the part of the eye where the eyeshadow from my mobile lid will appear above my lid when it's open, if that makes any sense. So when I open my eyes, you'll still be able to see the shade that I put on my mobile lid. So that's why I put the concealer all the way up to that point. And this is the shade I'm using for my lid. It's the jalapeno shade. It's like the sparkly green. So you want to apply your concealer all the way up to that line and then put your eyeshadow that you're using on your mobile lid also all the way up to that line. So when you open your eyes all the way, the shade can still be seen. So it's a really easy technique. I've been doing that a while since, like I said, my mobile lid space is kind of decreasing with age, but I really like it because it still makes my eyes look as big as they, used to be without me having to cheat, and it also just makes the eyeshadow look really pretty and visible when my eyes are already all the way open. So I'm just continuing to use the shade Jalapenos, and then for my brow bone, I'm going in with Garlic. And then right on top of jalapeno, I'm using the shade Pineapple. And I did wet pineapple to get it to show up. To tightline and use in my waterline, I'm using this Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Stay With Slate. And then this is the mascara that I'm using. It's kind of like this reddish purple aubergine color. And then for my liquid liner, I'm actually using a liquid lipstick from Milani in the shade Wicked. And this is the brush that I use to apply it. So for my lower lash line, I first went in with that Milani Waterproof Eye Pencil. And since I am working with reds, I didn't want to bring the shadows down too low because it would make me look like I have pink eye or something. So I'm making sure I keep the greens right in my lash line and the reds right underneath that. I'm not bringing it down as low as I usually would with different color eyeshadows that I use. And that's pretty much the look after you apply bottom lash mascara. Very, very simple, but very stunning. And I didn't even bother doing the rest of my makeup because, it's an eye makeup tutorial. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya!